And the TV God watches over me, opens up my eyes, shows me how to see all around the world, every night and day on my TV. Teaches how to love, teaches what is real, talks what life is of.
I'm Jörg Bach. I'm part of the OKconf. The OKconf is a cooperative started by people being interested in alternative economic models. It's a system to mint coins or vouchers or tokens or whatever you would call it that could be used for alternative money systems. So if you run your money system, your LEDs, your alternative currency, or if whatever you want to do, your voucher system in your organization, you have the problem of how do you run it? Do you have accounts? Do people have other means? What we provide you is a wallet software and a system that you can issue things that you can put in your wallet, that you can pay with, that you can transfer, and this is the system we are creating. Well, it's quite an interesting one if you think about how money is created and how it's done by the commercial banks, and you could say there is quite a flaw in that, and I mean we see it these days how the whole thing works and how taxpayers have to pay for that. And some people would say, let's say if that system wouldn't be working, what would be the alternative? And some people have quite a great hope for alternative currency systems. Again, the question is how do you run them, and what we want to support is basically with a wallet that can handle different currencies, that people can come up with their own ideas, do their own little small experiments within the legal frame of course, and then we see how it would actually work. That's the background where we're coming from. So lots of our people are quite interested in money and money creation and all of that.
So if somebody was to take your technology and set up a currency, and that took off, what do you think the political ramifications of that might be if someone actually independently of your group did that?
Well, I mean, if they do it here in the UK, it's quite a regulated thing. So as soon as they reach a certain size, they face the regulators and they'll basically shut them down. So you need a proper license or a banking license to do that if you have this one centralized issuer here in this country. It depends on the country in which you would run it. Let's say we are pretty close to have finished the prototype. We're currently trying to implement the client software, so the actual wallet software, but we are more or less there. It'll take still some time and we probably need to find some more funding, but then we should be there.
Tired of seeing the same old TV on TV? Look for an alternative to the TV and see some alternative TV on the internet. Vision on TV is the place to see alternative TV. So watch Vision on TV for alternative TV.